project. I use that to fix that. You can still kind of see some of these. I had a tree right there, so I'm not expecting that to go away. Looks pretty good, but yeah, you can still see that one. One more weapon up my sleeve. Got the last coat. So after I do the other side on the hood, I'm gonna put this on and see how it does. All right, went over this side again with the turtle wax. Good shine, but you can still kind of see some of the scratches. But I'm gonna use the glass coat now. See how this makes that look. Shiny, yes. Did it hide scratches more? Not really. It's not really designed for that, I guess. It's more designed for protection. So the real test is seeing how water beads off and how long it lasts. Should be pretty good. I'm not disappointed, really. So even with the trim covered with the last coat, obviously some of those scratches just aren't going to go away. It's some deep stuff. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. You can kind of see the scratches in the reflection of the sunlight there, but you really got to be at the right angle to see them, otherwise you can't. Actually looks pretty good right now. Real test comes to when the dirt starts flying and how bad it sticks or does not stick. So hopefully we'll see.